Welcome to the revision session of Chapter 3 File Attributes. A file attribute is a specific condition in which a file or directory can exist. It describes how files and directories in a file system behave. ls command with L option is used to list the file attributes. The output of this command has 7 fields. Type, it denotes file type as ordinary, directory and device files. Permissions, it denotes who can read, write or execute a file. Links, it denotes number of files that actually reference the file. Owner, a file is owned by a user, by default its creator. Group owner, the group which owns the file. File size, number of bytes of data contained. File timestamps, date and time of last modification and access. Listing directory attributes. ls command with L option gives the details of file attributes. And if you want to know the details of directory, then use D option with ls command. The example shows to list directory attributes of directory etc. The meaning of file permissions and directory permissions are different. In this, read permission means the listing the directory. Write permission means create or delete directory. And execute permission means search the directory. File permissions. Unix is a multi-user system where the same resources can be shared by different users. All permissions are based on restricting access to specific files or directories to specific users or specific groups. There are 3 sets of access permissions associated with each file: user, group and others permission. The first character indicates the type of file. A hyphen represents an ordinary file. D represents a directory. And L represents link file. And next 9 characters are permissions consisting of 3 groups: owner, group and others. Change mode command is used to change the file permissions. The permissions are read, write and execute permissions for the owner, group and others. Change mode command is used with respect to absolute and relative or symbolic way of setting file permissions. In absolute mode, file permissions are represented as 3-digit octal number. Here we have numbers with respect to permission type and the symbols used. We have an example. It says owner can read, write and execute, group can read, write and others can only read. In symbolic mode, user can modify permissions of specific owner. It makes use of mathematical symbols to modify the file permissions, plus to add permission and minus to remove permission. For changing the ownership of file, change ownership command can be used. Use this command with the name of the new owner and file name that user wishes to change the owner. In case you want to change group owner only, use the command change group. Use this command with new owner name of the group and file name. File system and inodes. We have already know about the file system in Unix and how it is organized. Let's see what is an inode. The Unix file is stored in 2 different parts: data block and inode, in a disk. Each file is associated with an inode referred as inode number. This inode number can be found using the command ls with option I. This inode number indexes the table of inodes known as location. A link in a Unix is a pointer to a file. Links in Unix are pointing to a file or directory. Creating links is a kind of shortcut to access a file. There are two types of links. Hard link. It is the exact replica of actual file it is pointing to. It is useful in performing copy on write and allow the user to keep a backup of file. But we cannot create a link for directory, and hard link can be created as shown in this. Second, soft link. It is similar to the file shortcut feature which is used in Windows operating system. It contains the path for original file and not the contents. It can link to a directory, and soft link can be created as shown here. Next, we have umask command that determines the settings of a mask that controls how file permissions are set for newly created files. Find command is used to search and locate the list of files and directories. User can find files by permissions, file types, file size and other criteria. Thank you.